Welcome to an inside look at how LuxCreo empowers Veden Dental Lab. Founded in 1987, Veden operates from 3 offices in Taipei, United States and mainland China. As for now, Veden has earned the trust of over 15 major global customers by providing high-quality dental models.
This is our Zhuhai production hub in China. We brought in LuxCreo dental solution in 2023. Before partnering with LuxCreo, we sometimes face sudden breakdowns with big machines, leading to extensive rework and frequent after-sales maintenance. It's difficult to track production records. This printer is amazing. It can print 6 to 8 pairs of restoration models horizontally per batch, with a printing speed of up to 30 mm per hour at 50 micron. We operate the printer 20 hours a day, 6 days a week. LuxCreo provided comprehensive training and support, ensuring our team was well prepared to maximize the technology. They have streamlined the whole workflow from design, print, to post-process in the easiest way. I'm impressed with their 100% customer success. The results have been outstanding. We achieve a high first pass yield of 100%, with a rework rate of less than 5%. The reliability of the printer means no sudden breakdowns, and its speed allows us to meet urgent demands efficiently. This one-click digital printing workflow has significantly increased our production capacity. The production records can be tracked in real time with LuxLink. This is our design workshop. Here, more than 200 skilled technicians delivering over 1,200 cases every day, including removable and fixed. We use LuxFlow to prepare dental models for printing. With just one click, you can automatically orientate, lay out, and generate support. The entire operation is in less than 3 minutes. They also provide online courses on Lux Academy, which you can learn anytime. And it's so easy to learn. Our technicians learn how to use LuxFlow in just 5 minutes. This is a die model. The accuracy can approach to higher than 85% at 50 micron. No movement. It's perfect. Our clients have been highly impressed with the improvements. The accuracy and quality of our restoration models have strongly enhanced. The partnership with LuxCreo has brought tremendous benefits to Veden. We're eager to explore direct print applications for dentures and aligners with LuxCreo. Looking ahead, we're committed to further enhancing our automation processes and deepening our collaboration with LuxCreo. This partnership will allow us to streamline our workflows even more efficiently.